The regular wheat bread that causes joint pains, that causes diabetes, that causes weight gain, that you will get from anywhere. But this bread that helps to treat the joint pains, that controls the diabetes, and that controls your weight gain, this you will have to make yourself. It is a short video, you have to sit till the end. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma and I am a medical doctor. I can tell you that in order to decrease the complications from a heart attack, you should have a tablet of Disprin in your bag always. You should have a tablet of Angisol in your bag always. You should have a patch of Deponent in your bag always. But I want you to never have a heart attack. That's why I shared these wonderful recipes which are not only tasty, they are also very healthy. So subscribe to our channel because you will not find these recipes in such a kind of channel anywhere else. So today we will make this wonderful tahini bread that uses only 3 ingredients. Stay with me. To make this wonderfully healthy and delicious bread, we need tahini sauce. Tahini sauce is basically sesame seed butter. You basically grind the sesame seeds and you get tahini butter. I have taught how to make tahini sauce at home, but I ordered this online. Whatever and wherever you buy your tahini sauce from, make sure it has no additives like added sugars or vegetable oils or preservatives. The only single ingredient that should be in your tahini sauce should be sesame seed. That's all. Okay, we'll take a cup of this tahini sauce. To this, we'll add 3 large eggs, preferably pasture raised, and half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You can also add date vinegar if you like. Now, if you are really addicted to sweet breads, you can add some stevia if you are following keto diet, or if you are not following keto diet, you can add date sugars or molasses because these are the 2 sweeteners which are antioxidant rich. Basically, they reduce your inflammation. You can sprinkle your bread with black seeds or white sesame seeds as you like. Anyway, once you have whisked all your ingredients well, put them in a bread pan and then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or till your square comes out clean like this. As you have seen that the main ingredient in our bread was tahini, which is made from sesame seeds, and it has been found through research that sesame seeds are excellent for people with knee osteoarthritis. Also, sesame seeds or tahini have a thing called sesmol. Sesmol is a lignin which is a powerful antioxidant, is a powerful anti-cancer, and research has shown that people who take tahini or sesame seeds daily, it helps them to reverse the age-related brain diseases like Alzheimer's disease. And in case of kids, you will have smarter kids if you give your kids this bread. You know what I do? I make a loaf every week and then I slice it up into pieces and put it in my fridge. I cannot find this bread, healthy bread, in any shops, but this will always be found in my fridge because I slice up my loaf and put it in a box in my fridge. Each slice has about 1 gram of carbohydrates for the keto diet followers. You can use this bread any way you like. I usually make a burger out of it. Basically, I add my homemade 100% olive oil mayonnaise, the links of which can be found in the description box below, and then I add my keto shami. Again, the recipe is in the description box below, and this makes a very healthy burger. With this, I enjoy my anti-hair fall green smoothie. This is a wonderful breakfast not only for you but even for your grandmother and as well as your kids. So let me know in the comment section below how much you like this bread, how much your grandma liked it, how much your kids like this bread, and how do you like to take your flawless tahini bread. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.